Cool. Now it should work. So I'll say find me a home, and now it's gonna initiate that button. When I say it worked, what type of home are you seeking? Let's just say apartment, or you can click it. It doesn't matter, but we're testing the intent, so it's working. What is your preferred location? We'll do Aventura, and it's working. Budget, and then we'll just say 500. Yeah, we'll just click it. Doesn't matter. And then we'll click that and see if it works. Boom, and it shows us the home, guys. That's pretty sick. Look at that. It gives the address, the prices, right there. Everything's working. And let's just say we want to request more info on this home. Okay. What is your name? Jacob at gmail.com. See if this does working. This is the Zapier automation, like how I stated. And then it does a post call to Zapier, and our team will reach out to you shortly. And it's done. We're done, guys. And boom, there's our information right there. So the chatbot is done. Jacob at gmail.com. And now let's test out for the other location for Sunny Isles. And we'll just do find home. Okay. And then we'll just do penthouse. We'll do at Sunny Isles, different location. We'll do 1.5 million to 500,000 and see if it works. Boom, there's the apartment right there. Request more info, and it works again. Awesome, guys. So it works.